Oh, hey guys, did you hear? It's supposed to snow 9 to 12 inches tomorrow. My wife's so excited. I bet your wife took a couple of 9 to 12 inches last night. Nah, slut. She is a slut. 9 to 12 inches, though. That's way too much for anyone. What are you going to do with that? Does it even feel good? Well, my girl says 5 inches is too big for her. Don't put that thing all the way in there. You're going to hurt me. Oh, you'd kill my wife with that thing. She says 2 inches fills her up too much. 2 inches? That's huge. What? 2 inches is huge? Oh, shnikes.